first start with really understanding your customers. So if you're a brand or a manufacturer, you need to really understand what your product is and how your customers consume it so that you can understand what kind of reusable packaging would be useful for them. If you're a retailer, it's about really understanding how customers come and shop with you and when, and the type of products they're buying, and offering systems and solutions that fit with them. Single-use packaging that people buy over and over again. So washing up liquid, everybody buys the same brand of washing up liquid over and over again. So why are they buying a new plastic bottle every time, and when they could just be refilling it?